Yeah, because y'all not using it unless you sign up for the email. And I have stuff about me, and then a picture. This is my Labor Day flyer. Just posted to my Instagram. So, this is it. That's the front page. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today is September 5th. Yes. I am so behind on posting. So, I'm doing the vlog for the 5th. I did not post the vlog for yesterday or the day before, but the one for the day before is like ready to be posted. I was just getting frustrated with my computer, more like the hard drive. The hard drive connected to my, well, it's not the hard drive, the cord. The cord that connects the hard drive and my computer is like loose. So I can't move the computer while I'm editing. If I do, it's gonna do that thing like you unplug the hard drive. Sometimes it loses the information to where you have to relink all the clips with the thing you're editing, and it drove me crazy because I wasn't moving it at all, and then I took the charger out of the computer and I guess it made it move a little bit, and then it did the thing. I was like, you know what, I'm done, because I was already busy with the pop-up shop stuff. Oh, by the way, the pop-up shop was great. It was great. For a first pop-up shop, it was amazing. I would definitely do one of those again. Specifically with the person who hosted it. If she hosted another one, I would definitely go back. It was a good location, so if I did my own pop-up shop, I would consider using that location because it was a big open space. It allowed room for plenty of vendors to do whatever they needed to do, whether it was like someone who needed outlets. There was a wall for outlets. You could be in the middle of the floor if you didn't need no outlets. You had plenty of room because it was an open space, so it was a lot of freedom to do what you needed to do. And I made some shmoney, honey. So, oh yeah, the girl who, one of the two girls who, did the event, I bought this candle from her, and it smells so good. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put her Instagram in here. And then, this is a crystal. It's the elephant. You know, elephants are intelligent stuff. It's like intuition and stuff like that. I wish I remembered, but I don't. I gotta look it up again. But I remember the word intuition. Following your intuition. I was like, ooh, that would be good. But anyways, I got an email list, right? And I'm gonna show y'all all the people I got. Don't mind how it's printed out. Staples is stupid, and this is why I need my own printer, because they would not print it out right. You see this? This is supposed to fill the page, but it's like a square. And I did the right dimensions for the document through Canva. Staples is just But yeah, they almost filled both sheets. Almost both sheets are filled with email lists. So I'm about to put these people's emails in and stuff, and they're gonna get my welcome email. I'm gonna show y'all my welcome email. So it's the logo. I wish I could get rid of this big gap, but I can't. It won't let me. Yeah, because y'all not using it unless you sign up for the email. And I have stuff about me, and then a picture. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, so that's my welcome email. If you want discounts and stuff, I suggest signing up for email because I don't really give discounts away unless it's a special occasion, but I give discounts away a lot through email and free stuff through email. And if you make an order and you're signed up through the email, then you'll get those codes to use. Okay, so I'm gonna sign these people up real quick, and then I wrote all sloppy on these post-its, but all those post-its is something I need to do, and some of them have more than one thing. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I forgot y'all were there. But I can show you. Let me pause this. I don't know why they have oxygen things in their mouth. And it's so loud outside all the time with those cars. But I'm going to show y'all what I did today. Not the whole day. So basically what I just finished doing was adjusting my stock, because I got a lot of, as you would put, cash payments, but it's not really cash. Some of the payments I had to accept through like my personal Apple Pay and stuff. So I'm gonna have to count it as cash because it didn't go directly to my boutique account or anything like that. So I had to adjust inventory and stuff because it's hard to keep up with inventory when people don't pay directly through the little square thing. And most people wanted to pay other ways, surprisingly. But after saying all that, I just posted this too. This is my Labor Day flyer. Just posted to my Instagram. To my boutique Instagram. So if you want to see that in high quality, hey, go on over to my boutique Instagram right there and like it. Because it's pretty and I spent times on it. So right now what I'm doing is, I don't know if I told y'all, but I also have a Poshmark, and I haven't been on my Poshmark in a minute. And I recently realized how many nice clothes I have. Oh yeah, I think I told y'all in the first vlog. Yes. So I'm gonna sell those clothes on Poshmark instead of just giving them away. Since I have room in the closet to just have them for a while, for them to sit there, then I'm just gonna sell them, because why not make extra money off of all that? Like, that's a lot of money. And clothes I don't wear and that I was gonna like throw away. Well, not throw away, give away Goodwill and stuff. I've given them a lot of clothes in my days. And right now, I'm making something else. I made that in Canva. I'm making a thank you card. This is nowhere near done because it's not where I want it, but you know, you gotta go through something to get to it. I already have thank you cards. These are the ones I had, and I kind of made them in a rush, so I'm trying to find a new design for them. You can see the you see, thank you for your support, and the background is like clothes, and in the back, add us on all our social media. I definitely want to do new thank you cards in general, but right now I'm just doing the Poshmark ones because I still have some of these left, and I'm going to use these until I run out. So I'm doing the Poshmark ones, and the Poshmark ones are going to be specifically for Poshmark, and they're going to say thank you for your purchase. Check out my boutique. Because people who order from my boutique already checked it out. So this is going to specifically tell them to check out my boutique. Maybe I can make it on Canva. Just upload the same stuff. We'll see. I'm back. Okay, I'm back, y'all. And I was just about to show you one thing, but I forgot I didn't show you this thing, and I was already showing you this. So I finished the Poshmark thank you cards. I ended up using Canva. Stuff usually comes out better on Canva just because they have preset templates with preset fonts. My issue is always finding fonts, because on Photoshop it's more like you have to memorize all the fonts or have a note of them, or put them, what am I saying? Or I had a note of them, or I don't know. You just gotta know the fonts. And anybody get time for that. These legs is longer than the rest. So it's quicker, easier in Canva. Depending on, sometimes I use both. I use Photoshop and Canva. Sometimes I'll just use Photoshop. Sometimes I'll just use Canva. It just depends on what I'm doing. But this came out really good. It's also easier on Canva because they have like, I bought the pro version. They have like a bunch of transparent images that are just really nice quality. So this is it. That's the front page. Thank you so much for your order. Check out my boutique with the logo. And they'll flip it over, and it has a website, a barcode, and this is my social media, and then one of the pictures on the phone. How y'all like it? Comment down below if you like it or what you think about it. And time to close this. What I was really trying to show y'all. Let me just leave that there for now. Why did I do that? Ooh, I gotta pick that. So what I was really trying to show y'all is I'm finally cleaning the dog bowls out. Yeah, I'm only 3 days late. So this one was really. So I'm gonna show y'all before and after. Is this her water bowl? Dang, I already started cleaning her water. Oh no, that's her. So y'all see how that is, right? You see, water can't get this out. Still left behind. All I did was rinse it out just now. But if you just scrub with this lemon, that can get it out. And if you know, you know. You cannot get this stuff up with dish detergent. No. See that? It's getting better, but we're going to have to call in reinforcement. Got another piece. Nice and scrubbed. Yeah. Whoops. And afterwards is my favorite part. You put the lemon down the drain and it makes it smell good. Apparently helps the blade too. I like to use the peel as like a scrubber because the lemon juice breaks it down, but you still need some type of physical manipulation. It's definitely getting better, as you can see, but yeah, that's what I was showing you. So I'm gonna keep doing that until they're clean enough to put in the dishwasher, and then they go in the dishwasher, and I feel like I can end this vlog. By the way, it's technically my birthday because it's like 1 in the morning. It's September 6th. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any suggestions for future videos. Share this video with anybody and everybody, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I fell asleep and I missed it.